Hi, I am Lavanya Logeshwaran and my student ID is IT20202422. Today I will walk you through the code behind my machine learning assessment, which focus on predicting wine quality using classification algorithms. So first, at the beginning of the code, we import the necessary libraries. In here, you can see the libraries, and the libraries help us handle the data, pre-process features, train models, and evaluate their performance. And we load two data sets separately, one for red wine, one for white wine. You can see it here. We then add a new column called type. To label red wine as 0 and white wine as 1. After that, we combine both data set into a single data frame. Then we created a table. We want to classify wine as high or low quality, and so we created a new binary column called quality label, and a value of 1 represents high quality wine with score of 7 or more, and 0 represents lower quality. And then we splitting the features and target. Now you can see we separate the feature X with the target variable Y, and then we splitted the data. To ensure fair evaluation, we split the data set into training and testing sets using stratified sampling. So you can see it here. And then we did the feature scaling. We standardized the features so that all values are on sample scale. This improves model performance, especially for logistic regression. Then we train the model using logistic regression. We create and train a logistic regression model with balanced class weights to handle the class imbalance. And then we evaluate the model using we evaluated the model, and we train random forest classifier, and we evaluate its performance as well. So based on the our results and conclusion, we got these results, and both models were evaluated using metrics like precision, recall, and ROC AUC score. The random forest model performs better overall, likely due to its ability to capture non-linear patterns in the data. This was evident in its higher ROC AUC score and better classification results. And in conclusion, the random forest model is more effective for this classification task, and future work could explore hyperparameter tunings, cross validation, or additional features like price or origin. Okay, now I'm going to show you my report. My report is structured into 6 main sections. So first, the introduction, actually the problem description, and then the data set description details the data sources, attributes, and how I created binary classification and target. And then the methodology section outlines all the steps taken to prepare the data, build and evaluate the models. The results and discussion section compares the model performance, showing that random forest was superior. And in the conclusion and future work, I summarize the findings and suggest how the project could be improved, such as like using hyperparameters and additional features. Finally, appendix contains the complete source code used in the project. So thank you so much.